In the intricate world of jewelry making, precision is everything. Every detail, every curve, and every texture matters. This is where carbide burr tools come into play, serving as indispensable companions for jewelers who demand nothing less than perfection. Carbide burrs are tiny, rotary cutting tools crafted from tungsten carbide, a material known for its remarkable hardness and durability. These tools are designed with various shapes, such as ball, cylinder, cone, flame, and inverted cone, each tailored for specific tasks. Their small size and robust cutting edges make them ideal for delicate, high-precision work that is often required when working with precious metals and gemstones. One of the primary uses of carbide burrs in jewelry making is shaping metals, such as gold, silver, or platinum. When a jeweler sets out to create a custom ring, for example, the initial form may be rough and lacking in detail. Carbide burrs allow the artisan to carefully carve, contour, and refine the metal, smoothing edges and defining the ring's overall shape. Their sharp, efficient cutting action removes material quickly, yet with a level of control that ensures the integrity of the piece is never compromised. Stone setting is another critical aspect of jewelry making where carbide burrs shine. To securely seat a gemstone, a jeweler must create a precise cavity or seat within the metal setting. Using a small ball or setting burr, the jeweler gradually carves out a pocket, matching the contours of the stone. This ensures a snug fit, minimizing the risk of the gem becoming loose or misaligned. The precision afforded by carbide burrs is crucial here. Even the slightest error can affect the security and appearance of the final piece. Beyond shaping and stone setting, carbide burrs are also essential for engraving intricate designs. Whether adding a delicate monogram to a pendant or etching an ornate pattern onto the surface of a bracelet, these rotary tools allow for fine, controlled incisions. Their durability means they can cut through tough metals repeatedly without dulling, maintaining sharp lines and crisp details. This reliability is especially important when working on commissions or heirloom pieces, where consistency and quality are paramount. Finishing touches are just as important as the initial shaping. Carbide burrs can be used to smooth rough surfaces, remove excess solder, or clean up tight corners that are difficult to reach with traditional files. With a steady hand and the right burr shape, a jeweler can achieve a flawless finish, preparing the piece for polishing and final assembly. Jewelry making often involves repairing or modifying existing pieces as well. Here, carbide burrs prove their versatility. They can be used to cut away damaged sections, adjust prongs, or reshape worn settings. Their precise cutting action makes it possible to restore jewelry to its original splendor, or to adapt older pieces for new uses. Working with gemstones presents additional challenges, as many stones are sensitive to heat and vibration. Carbide burrs, when used carefully at low speeds, allow jewelers to drill, shape, or modify gemstones with minimal risk of cracking or chipping. Whether creating a half-drilled hole for a pearl or carving a groove into a piece of jade, these tools provide the finesse required for such delicate operations. In summary, carbide burr tools have become an essential part of the jeweler's toolkit. Their ability to cut, shape, engrave, and finish with remarkable precision makes them ideal for crafting both simple and elaborate pieces. Whether fashioning a custom ring, setting a precious stone, or engraving a personal message, carbide burrs empower jewelers to bring their creative visions to life, one meticulous detail at a time.